Hello friends, this is me Laneha Junsu. Welcome to my channel which is all about enhancing what you have. Today we are reviewing PUREDERM shiny and soft foot peeling mask. I bought 2 sheet masks. It comes in regular sheet mask packaging. The product claims that foot mask helps remove dead skin and softens calluses using lemon, orange, tea tree, honey, coconut oil and other botanical extracts. Put on the socks on freshly cleansed and dried feet and seal carefully. Remove after 60 to 90 minutes and rinse. CT complex multi-fruit, tea tree leaf and aspalathus helps exfoliate and soothe skin while other ingredients nourishes skin. It has English and Korean instructions on it with pictures, which is great. Expiry date is mentioned at bottom. I recently came back from a long vacation and my feet are ruined. I have big blisters, cracked heels and thumbs along with dryness all over my feet. At night when I'm free now, I'm going to use the mask. It smells awful like a tiger balm. The masks are boot-like masks made of hard paper. Each mask comes with a pair of paper boots. You have to push both sides of the mask to open its mouth, which is filled with liquid substance inside. It smells awful and the smell is really strong. They have instructed to fold both sides of mask on the edge. It feels extremely cold to touch on my feet from inside. I am a size 10 and it is fitting me perfectly. It feels really cold and wet though. Here's another demo on how you can open this mask. The mask is tight from my toes but not uncomfortable. I have heard you don't need to go for pedicures if you use this, so I'm excited. The boots are really cute. My mask is torn from above, maybe because I was walking as I had to do the dishes and other stuff. Even after 1.5 hours, the sheet masks are still wet. My feet are feeling extremely cold after taking the mask off. My feet are wet and are feeling really tight and firm. Can you see the shine? After 4 days, my skin feels extremely shiny, plastic-like and dry. My blister where I had the most thin skin has started to peel and there is no peeling elsewhere. After 6 days, the peeling has started. I have been soaking my feet for 5 minutes every day to increase the shedding process as it was advised on a Facebook group. There are bits and pieces of shredded skin, but nothing major as you can see. After 8 days of using the mask, my feet look homeless. I walk barefoot a lot and all the cracking on my feet picks on the most little invisible dirt, which is so annoying. My heels have started to peel. It's so satisfying to see new and soft heels underneath the shredded skin. My feet do itch a little, but it's nothing major. So the next day, my feet are peeling like crazy. I literally feel like a snake. If you ever want to be reincarnated as snake, then this is the chance to experience it. Look how gross the old skin looks. I'm so excited to get my new skin. Guys, please do wear socks during the peeling process because the skin will just shred everywhere otherwise, and people will know that we are snakes. You don't want your identity to be known. I have to wear and remove socks a couple of times in a day, and every time I do it, there is shredded skin everywhere. After 19 days of using the mask, my feet look really bright and youthful than before. My feet look really smooth and soft than it has ever been when I was a kid. Do you see that line under my thumb? Only babies have it. I never had it back as I grew up, but now I do, and this makes me so happy. For the price, the results are totally worth it. The product is very easy to use and I love it. My heels have never looked better in all these years, especially my thumbs. I have done everything, but only this mask worked. I will rate this mask 5 by 5 and will definitely repurchase lots of these masks. I will recommend the snake mask to all of you as well. Have you ever tried such masks? Or you would like to suggest me a brand for the peel? Then please do in the comment section below. Bye bye.